In this lesson, we will make our map more interactive by placing markers wherever we click. This is a common use case when user needs to pick a location on the map. We listen for the click event on the map and create a new marker in the callback function. We can get the position from the event object and we assign the marker to the map object. Let's try it out. When I click on the map, a marker is created. By repeating this process on every click, we can add multiple markers instead of just one. Each click now drops a new marker at the click location. And that's how we can add markers dynamically with a simple click. In the upcoming lessons, we will build on this by adding more interactivity to the marker themselves.